also called viral marketing hacks. Sometimes, I don't know if you have seen Dunzo, and if you have seen IKEA advertisements. If you want to ever check out their marketing campaigns. Sometimes they deliberately make a mistake. Have you seen this Misho's campaign? What Saurav Ganguly did a blunder? I don't know. Just go and check after this. What he did, he just was given this by his team, to put it on Twitter, that he just copy pasted social post, and in the end he wrote that brand name has to be in capital. Everything was written the same way. So either it could be a mishap that went wrong, or either it could be a marketing strategy by Misho and it got viral. So, there's certain small things that could be done. Sometimes it has to be off the beat. Now, if you talk about IKEA's campaign in Dubai went viral. What they did? They said, you don't have to pay in IKEA store in Dubai. We will take the time it take you from home to IKEA store, and that amount of products, for example, 1 hour, 60 minutes, that currency, 60 Dubai currency, that kind of products would be free for them. So these are kind of viral marketing hacks. It depends on what you want to do.